Right, I've come away from the sea. Definitely not a bucket and spade day today, but very exciting to have the sea right up to the sea wall. That's very rare. I just wanted to show you the promenade next and the Victorian water gardens. Not many people go down that way actually, most people come to town, but it's a beautiful little gardens and I want to show you it. So let's go. You can see there in the distance the church with the spire, and the Seacroft is just opposite that. So if I turn to my right, this is the promenade. The railway cafe, ice creams are open. It's February, but it's beautiful. Very sunny, a little bit windy, but you'd expect that for this time of year. Lots of people out, and we'll make our way down the promenade to the Victorian gardens. As we walk down the promenade, can't walk past here without mentioning one of our favourite restaurants, Anatolia Sea View. Fantastic Turkish barbecue restaurant, away from the town, but the only restaurant with a sea view. Well worth a visit. Let's make our way down the promenade. Right, we're just walking past practice putting green, and to our right the Grand Hotel. During open season for the golf, you might see professionals come and play on this practice green. It's not unknown for them to come out very early, about 6 o'clock in the morning, and practice here before they go up to the many golf clubs that are around here. So here it is. There's the practice putting green. But what I wanted to show you around here before we even get to the gardens is one of the latest acquisitions for St Anne's. Built last year, has had lots of use already. Do you recognise that? It's a pétanque, a boule. Course. Is course the right word? I don't know what you call it. Anyway, popular in France, gravelly surface, well used and completely free. Just bring your ball set, come and play. And if you know what the difference between pétanque and boule is, then add your details to the comments. I believe pétanque is more about throwing it in the air, boule is more about rolling it along the ground. Or what do I know? We'll continue our way round and I'll show you the water gardens. And there we go, this is the first of the start of the water gardens. And I want to take you onto that bridge. See you up there. Right, so we've come up onto the bridge, and these are the famous St Anne's Victorian water gardens. Some little paths, there's a waterfall, stepping stones that you can see in the foreground. This beautiful bridge, cobblestone bridge, and then taking you back over to the other side. And if I pan round, you might be able to see in the distance St Anne's beach huts and the sea. Now, in between us and the sea is another golfing extravaganza. It's a pitch and putt course. Quite tricky, especially in these winds today, but great fun for things to do. Probably a bit loud, but can you guess where I am? Underneath the waterfall in the garden. How cool is that? Right, we're going to head back down the promenade. Next stop, the pier.